has very bad bearings, and the fan's about to die real soon. It's just like the one I have at work, the West Point. I work in Suite B, very bad bearings. Alright, here is my Vornado 573 in my collection. The other one is at work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. God bless.